Hello and welcome to today's tip. We're going to be making a shaker card with a die inside the shaker. Well, it sits on top of the shaker part. So what you're going to need is some kind of frame die. I'm using a circle one, but you could use a triangular one, whatever one you wanted. But the thing that we're going to do is we're actually going to do a partial die. We don't want this section to come apart. So I position it on my card where I want it to be. I might just put in a little bit of tape just so it doesn't move around. And then I'm going to position it just off the end of the plate and just run it through the machine as normal. And you want it to be straight, so if you are concerned about it not being straight on the end, you could always stick it to your plate as well. And so what you're left with, once I just pull that little bit of tape off, is this flap. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get another die. Now I've got this bike die that sits pretty much inside that circle. Now I'm not worried about it over flapping, because what I can do is to stop it cutting into the frame, I can just put the frame slightly above the bike. And then I'm going to do the same thing again. And then your die is cut in. Now this die is a little bit, doesn't always cut the best, so I am just going to pop all those bits out now. Okay, so I have gone through and punched out all of those sections of the die, and what I've done is just used a craft knife and just cut along the bottom there, because that part was just flapping inside. So you will just have to get your craft knife out and kind of maneuver around a little bit just where it would have stuck on the part of the die that didn't go through. Now what I've got is a piece of acetate, and I've just put a bit of glue or a bit of double-sided tape all the way around. And then the same process as in any shaker card, you just put your thicker foam tape all the way around the outside. And now for the absolute fun part of this, we add all of our glitter and sparkles and sequins and whatever we want to have. So there we have a shaker card with a difference, a little die that is semi-cut behind our frame. I hope you've enjoyed this tip, and I look forward to seeing you next time.